कञ्चित् कालं नयमामस्मान्नगरात् बहुदूरं प्रपश्यामि ग्रामान्ते निर्झरनदीपयपूरम् कञ्चित् कालं नयमामस्मान्नगरात् बहुदूरं प्रपश्यामि ग्रामान्ते निर्झरनदीपयपूरम् एकान्ते कान्तारे क्षणमपि मे स्यात् सञ्चरणम् एकान्ते कान्तारे क्षणमपि मे स्यात् सञ्चरणम् मे स्यात् सञ्चरणम् कञ्चित् कालं नयमामस्मान्नगरात् बहुदूरं प्रपश्यामि ग्रामान्ते निर्झरनदीपयपूरम् एकान्ते कान्तारे क्षणमपि मे स्यात् सञ्चरणम्. I will read the poem once more. कञ्चित् कालं नयमामस्मान्नगरात् बहुदूरं प्रपश्यामि ग्रामान्ते निर्झरनदीपयपूरम् एकान्ते कान्तारे क्षणमपि मे स्यात् सञ्चरणम्. शुचिपर्यावरणम् शुचिपर्यावरणम्. We can check the splitting of this stanza. Kanchit kalam naya maam asmat nagarad. There are three words are there actually. Here maam plus asmat plus nagarad. Here maam plus asmat only samyogam. There is no any sandhi because I told before what it is a samyogam and what is a sandhi I explained before. So here maam plus asman, two words are there, and asmad nagarad. Here we have one sandhi before plus a th and after plus a na. Here before plus a th will change into na. Okay, so double na is coming when joined together. Then that's why here asmat end with th and nagarad start with na. So here asmad nagarad vyanjana sandhi. Bahuduram prapashyami gramante nirjara nadi payapuram. Here nadi payapuram from Nirjara Nadi Payapuram is a single word actually. Gramande we can tell Dirgha Sandhi also. Grama plus ande, Gramande. A plus A is equal to long A, Dirgha Sandhi. That's why here Gramande. So Grama plus ande, Gramande. Like that, ekante also. Eka plus ande, we can tell two words. Eka plus ande, ekante. Kandare, kshanamabi. Here samyogam is there, not sandhi. Two words are there. Kshanam plus api. Me syad sancharanam. Sancharanam also, there is sandhipadam. Sam plus charanam. Sancharanam is a sam plus charanam. Before plus a ma, after plus a cha. If you get before plus a panjama swaram of vargam, kavargam, chavargam, tavargam, tavargam, pavargam, panjama swaram of any vargam. Here ma is a panjama swaram. Okay, after plus we have a cha. So what will happen now? This ma will change into the fifth letter of after plus. After plus a cha is there. What is its fifth letter? Cha, cha, ja, cha, nya. Okay, this nya will come here. This ma will change into nya. Okay, so sancharanam. That's why this nya garam is there. So when you split, this nya will go back to ma, because the nya came from ma. So sam plus charanam, sancharanam. So shuchiparyavaranam. This is the splitting of the words. Now we can go to the Anvayam. What is the Anvayam of this sloga? we can go to the Anvayam. Here, Kanjit Kalam Mam Asmad Nagarad Bahuduram Naya. Kanjit Kalam, Kanjit 1, here Kanjit 1, Kalam 2, Mam, here Mam Asman we can split in 2 words. So Mam is a Mam, Asmad Nagarad we can write together as a 3 word, together as a single word. But it is better to write separate words in Anvayam. Mam Asmad Nagarad Bahuduram, that is a 6th one, Bahuduram Naya. That is verb will come last always. That is the format of a Sanskrit sentence. Verb will come last. Then Gramande is 8th. Nirjara Nadi Payapuram, together one word I told us, so that is a 9th. Prapashyami is a 10th. Then Ekande Kandare is a 11th, Kandare is a 12th. Chanamapi is we can write together, that is a 13. May is a 14, and Sancharanam Syad 15 and 16. We can write the Anvayam like this. If you need, you can write down these numbers on top of your textbook poem with a pencil only. Okay, don't write with a pen, because please keep your book very neat and tidy, and you write with a sharp pencil. Okay, so here Anvayam I will tell once more. Kanjit Kalam Mam Asman Nagarad Bahuduram Naya. Gramande Nirjara Nadi Payapuram Prabashyami. Ekande Kandare Kshanamabi Me Sancharanam Syad. Okay, this is the Anvayam prose order of this poem. We can go to the explanation of this stanza. Okay, Anvayam Kanjit Kalam Mam Asmad Nagarad Bahuduram Naya. Here Kanjit, what meaning by Kanjit? Kanjit means Kanjit Kalam. Together we can tell the meaning. Kanjit Kalam Swalpam Samayam Yavad, for a while. Mam means me, and Asmad from this, Nagarad from big city, Bahu and Duram, very far, very much far. Bahuduram, very far. Naya, take me, lead me. Okay, so this is the meaning of this word. And Gramande, what means Gramande? In the village. Nirjara Nadi Payapuram means different type of water bodies. Nirjaram, Nadi, Nirjaram means shallow streams. Nadi means river. Jalapurna Saraha means ponds and lakes. Okay, anyway, total meaning is a different type of water bodies. Then Prapashyami, see, I can see, because Prapashyami is a Uttama Purushan Ega Vajanam. So I we can add automatically, it will be added I, Aham. So Aham Avalokayami, Aham Prapashyami, I can see. Then Ekande means in lonely place, crowdless place. Kandare, in the forest. Chanamabi, for a while. May, Api means even, at least. May, to me or for me. Sancharanam Syada, can move. Okay, these are the meaning of these words. We can check the meaning in detail. In the first sentence, what is the verb? In the first sentence, verb is a Naya. So what mean by Naya? We told Naya means take me, please take me, please lead me. How? Bahuduram Naya, please take me far away. Take me far away. From where? Asmad Nagarad, from this city. From this city, take me far, far away. Whom? Mam, me. So, from this Nagarad, take me far away. For how much time? Kanjit Kalam. for a while at least, for some time, take me from this nagaram, from this city, far away. So actually far away, what he is telling? He is telling take him to the village, take him to the gramam. Okay, and so I think you understood the meaning. Together meaning kanjit kalam mam asmad nagarad bahaduram naya. Take me for some time from this city far, far away. Okay, this is the meaning first line. Second line, he hopes what? Gramande, when I am reaching there, where? In the village. Gramande, in the village. What all I can see? Nirjaram. What is Nirjaram? Nirjaram, shallow streams and small rivers. A small type of rivers is known as Nirjaram. Nadi means a river. Payapuram means a different type of ponds and lakes. Prapashyami, I can see. I can see different type of ponds, rivers, shallow streams, everything I can see in Gramam, in village. Okay, and one more thing, he is telling if I am going there, I will get one more benefit. What is that? Sancharanam syad. Sancharanam, I can move. The movement also I can make very easily. To whom? To that poet. May means to me. I will get a chance to move easily. How much time? Kshanamabi. At least for some time I will get a chance to move there. Where? Kandare, in the forest. Forest, there is no forest in the city. So he is telling I can move, at least for some time I can move in the forest. What type of forest? Ekante. Ekante means a lonely forest. Lonely, crowdless. In city, everywhere we can see crowd. But in village, I can see a lonely place and lonely forest. I have to move. Actually, he is telling his wish. I have to move at least for some time through the forest, a lonely forest. Okay, I can move. If I am going there, I can move for some time through the lonely forest. That is his wish. So, I hope you understood all the meaning. I will tell once more. Kanjit kalam maam asman nagarad bahaduram naya. Take me for a while far away from the city. Gramande Nirjala Nadi Payapuram Prabashyami. There in the village, I can see the water bodies like small streams, rivers and lakes, etc. Ekante Kandare Chadamabi Me Sancharanam Syad. I can walk alone in the silent forest at least. Okay, this is the meaning of this poem. We can go to the next poem.